Hello, everyone. Welcome to Pineapple Channel. Today, we have an exciting story about a lion family and the wonderful values of patience and teamwork. Are you ready to meet Leo, the lion, and his family? Let's go to the savannah and see what they're up to. In a lush savanna, Leo the lion lay comfortably in the shade, watching over his family. Leo was strong and brave, but above all, he was a wise leader. His mate, Luna, sat beside him, keeping an eye on their two cubs, Lenny and Luna, who were busy playfully pouncing and leaping around. Today, Leo had a special lesson in mind for his cubs. "Good afternoon, family," Leo said, his voice deep but kind. "Today, we're going on a special hunt. But this hunt isn't just about catching our food, it's also about learning patience and working as a team." Lenny and Luna's eyes sparkled with excitement. They loved the idea of a hunt. "Yay! I can't wait to chase the antelopes." Lenny bounced around, eager for the adventure. "Me too. I'll run super fast and catch them all by myself," Luna added, grinning. Leo chuckled and shook his head. Now, little ones. Hunting takes more than just speed. We need patience. If we rush in too soon, the antelopes will see us, and they'll run away. We have to wait for the right moment and work together as a team." Lena nodded, encouraging her cubs with a gentle smile. "Listen to your father, little ones. Trust each other, and remember, sometimes waiting is the strongest thing we can do." So, the lion family set off together to the hunting grounds. They moved quietly through the tall grass until they found a hidden spot where they could watch a herd of antelopes grazing nearby. Lenny and Luna could barely contain their excitement. "Dad, can we go now? I want to pounce," Lenny whispered, his body tense with anticipation. "Yes. They're right there. Let's go," Luna whispered, her eyes locked on the herd. Leo smiled and placed a gentle paw on each cub to calm them down. "Patience, my cubs," he said softly. "See how the antelopes are looking around? They're still too alert. If we move now, they'll spot us. Let's wait for the right moment, and we'll work together." Leo's wise words made Lenny and Luna think. Even though they were so excited, they decided to trust their father and wait. They stayed low, just like Leo and Lena, carefully watching the herd. At first, the minutes felt long, but eventually, the cubs began to feel the calm and quiet power of waiting. Finally, after what felt like forever to the young cubs, the antelope started to relax and graze closer and closer to the family's hiding spot. Leo's eyes sparkled with excitement. "This is it, everyone. Follow my lead," Leo whispered. With patience and focus, Leo led his family forward, moving step by step, his movements so smooth that the cubs hardly realized they were already halfway to the herd. When they were close enough, Leo gave a small nod, and with perfect timing, the family sprang into action, chasing the antelopes in harmony. Their teamwork paid off, and they were successful in their hunt. They returned to the shade of a large tree to share their meal together, enjoying the fruits of their hard work. Lenny beamed with pride. "Dad, you were right. Waiting and working together made it so much easier," he said, his voice filled with admiration. "Yes," agreed Luna. "I thought it would be hard, but it was actually fun doing it together." Leo smiled, pride shining in his eyes. "I'm so proud of you both. Remember, patience and teamwork are just as important as strength. When we wait for the right moment and work as a family, we can do anything." Lena nuzzled her cubs, her voice warm with love. "Yes, my cubs. Remember this lesson, and you'll grow up to be wise and strong, just like your father." And as the sun began to set, the lion family curled up together under the stars, happy and content. They knew that patience and teamwork would always be their greatest strengths, no matter what challenges they faced. And that's the story of Leo, the patient lion, and his family. They showed us that being patient and working together is the best way to face challenges. We hope you enjoyed this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time on Pineapple Channel for more fun stories. Bye for now.